Hey everybody, Jonathan. No, that's not. Hey everybody, hope y'all are doing well, and hopefully we can get back to the office sometime soon so we can have some time together. But I want to tell you a little bit about what I do. When I started at Family Legacy, I started in sponsorships back in 2014 and got to rotate around to every department to supply chain. I was in accounting for a little while, in HR, before finally ending up in development. So what I do a lot of, we do events, food packing events, and school supply packing events. We have 3 school supply packing events, and I use these as kind of a front door for our ministry. So invite groups to host a school supply packing event, and then that way they can get to know our ministry. And then after that, inviting them to do a food packing event, maybe inviting them to jump in to do sponsorships or to go on a short-term mission trip. And with that, we're also sending all of the food that we pack, all the school supplies we pack, so all the logistics that go into getting that sent over to Zambia. So the difference between what I do and what Todd does in regards to food is Todd is in charge of all of our soy-based food that we get. So groups will donate containers of food, but we have to pay to ship that over. What I do is work with groups that will host their own food packing event. They pay for the food and also pay for the shipping. The difference with the lentils and the soy is really high in estrogen. Lentils is a really high energy protein. So what we're trying to do is diversify the diet of our students over in Zambia. So that's a little bit about what I do in my job, and I'm gonna ask David to go next.